I've been getting this question a lot recently. I've been doing Pilates consistently and I'm not getting results. If this is you, I want you to stay to hear what I have to say about this. Here's our biggest issue right now: social media. We are seeing someone's snippet, their highlight reel, their quick before and after photos. We're seeing, I did Pilates for 30 days and it changed my body. We are seeing people's quick results, thinking that we are supposed to be like that too. But we're all different. We're built differently. We have different bodies. We have different ways of living. So the secret is that they're not just doing Pilates. A lot of these transformations, there is change in their nutrition. They are walking more. They are doing strength training and Pilates. So before we start comparing ourselves to someone's snippet or their quick before and after photos, I want you to think about where you are right now. When you started Pilates, what are some things that functionally have changed for you? That's where I want to enter into next. Here are some functional things that I want you to think about that may have already changed for you that you didn't think about. The problem is that we're so focused on the scale moving or how we look in front of the mirror, but we're not looking at other ways that Pilates has changed our bodies. Here are a few examples. Better posture, body awareness. It's easier for you to get off the floor. It's easier for you to get out of a chair. It's easier for you to pick up your kids. You have more energy throughout your day. Your core is engaged in daily movement, not just in class. Better balance, better control over your movement. These are all changes that are real. These are changes that are not going to show up in the mirror, but they are changes. So when it comes to visible composition, there's a lot of factors that go into this. And if this is what you're looking for, I want you to listen to the key factors that are going to help you get there. What I need you to ask yourself in this moment is, how consistent are you right now? Are you just popping into a class here and there? Are you going to different studios, or are you working at one studio so that instructor really gets to know you and gets to push you further and further as you continue on your Pilates journey? Are you adding strength training in? Are you adding walks in your day? Are you getting daily movement just besides the Pilates class? Are you watching what you eat? Are you seeing how much protein you take in? Are you watching your hydration, your sleep, your stress? These are all factors that are going to help you get that body recomp that you're looking for. If you're just doing Pilates, I'm sorry to say this, but you're not going to get that body composition that you're looking for. Of course, you're going to get functional changes, but if you want to get that body recomp, it is influenced by the strength training, the walking, the Pilates, your sleep, the stress, all of it. Pilates is powerful. Pilates is amazing, but it's only one part of the picture. It is not the big picture. So this is a part I actually really want you to pay attention to, because Pilates is actually working for you right now, but you might be overlooking it. Here are some examples of how Pilates is actually working for you currently. Maybe your back pain is lessened, or maybe it has gone away. Maybe you've had knee pain and that knee pain has gone away. Maybe your physical therapist has sent you to do Pilates and it's helping. Maybe you're feeling more stable during your workouts. Maybe you're building some confidence on that reformer, or confidence just in daily movement. Maybe you're feeling more connected to your body. Maybe you're feeling more connection to your core. You're understanding the core connection. Maybe you're understanding how to properly breathe, better posture. Maybe you're recovering faster from exercise. Maybe you're just feeling more confident overall. These are all signs of progress. And I really want you to understand that, because we're so focused on how we look in the mirror. But there are so many other ways that Pilates is helping you in this moment. But I want you to understand you are seeing results from Pilates. So what I want you to say to yourself right now is, instead of saying, why don't I look different yet? I want you to ask yourself, what can my body do now that it couldn't do before? And take a moment. Let me know down below in the comments, what results are you seeing from Pilates? I want you to understand that your body will follow its timeline, not the timeline of someone's Instagram photo. You're not going to be identical to that person that you see on Instagram. If this video resonated with you, let me know down in the comments. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye!